The High Ticket Profit System by Glenn Kosky at Super Warriors. The High Ticket Profit System is your opportunity to work with a 7-figure internet business owner, and all you must do is simply clone the breakthrough system, which lets you clone his done-for-you high-ticket business that makes over $1,000 per day. You don't need to have experience within affiliate marketing or any online marketing in order to succeed. The High Ticket Profit System will take care of it for you. If this is something that you might be interested in, stick with me for more details and a full demo. I have some awesome bonuses as well. If you're interested in getting the High Ticket Profit System and all my bonuses here, click any one of these buttons. Any one of these buttons here. Let me show you more there. Click any one of these buttons to get access to the members area and all these custom bonuses that I'm going to show you. It's so easy to get immediate access to my bonuses by clicking the blue Access affiliate link, which will immediately send you through to the Access link in our thank you page. You're going to get bonus number 1 if you use the link in the description below this video. You're going to get bonus number 1, which is access to the Fuego breakout. Excuse me. Bonus number 2 will be a hack to build your Facebook following fast. Teach you how to build a fast Facebook following, a big Facebook following. And bonus number 3 is a hack to make an app in less than 25 minutes. It will teach you how to create an app. And then there's a hack. Bonus number 4 is a hack to access ClickBank Mastery in a course. And then bonus number 5 is access to all the vendor bonuses. And let me go through here quickly. If you're interested in this product, then simply click on the link in the description below this video and go through to my bonus page, where you will click on any of the buttons as I've shown you in my bonus page, which will take you through to the sales page to purchase this digital product, to get all my bonuses and all the vendor bonuses too. Once you have purchased, you will be sent a link that will take you to this Warrior Plus page, where you can access your purchase. And to get my bonuses, you just simply click on this button, Access Affiliate Bonus, and you will get access to your bonuses. I'll talk about that later again. And this is my link to my website, where you can, if you click on it, you can be taken to my website, and here you can have a peek at all other videos that I've made. There's quite a few of them. So that is access to my website from my bonus page, and these are the bonuses listed over here, and I'll talk about all the other things in a minute. I just want to show you quickly the sales page, what it looks like. Breakthrough. This is the headline. Breakthrough system lets you clone my done-for-you high-ticket business that makes me over $1,000 per day. So this is the video, the sales video, where he talks about the product and this is quickly running through the sales page. There you can see the button to purchase the product, and if you want to get a discount, you just go like this. Let me refresh over here and show you how to get it. There you get $2 off the $17 price. You can get this whole system for just $15. And I want to show you some testimonials here quickly. You can see all of this when you click on the link in or click on one of the buttons inside of my bonus page. It will take you here to this sales page, and you can go through this page in your own time, and you can get the high ticket profit system during the launch period, as I said, for only $15. These are more testimonials here. For only $15, which is a one-time price and all my bonus value for in these difficult times. So you can go to the sales page, as I said, by clicking on one of the buttons in my bonus page, and then you can check it out. I want to show you what the high ticket profit system does, and this is one of the pages that you promote over here. And if your audience click access to the free training, it will take them to the webinar. The webinar promotes the high ticket offer, and before that you will get the leads to your autoresponder, which you must set up, and then you can market to them. If they don't go there, you've got their email, you can market to them and promote. You can send a series of emails, and once they decide to buy, but your link has to be embedded over there beforehand, and if they purchase the program after watching the webinar through this button here with your affiliate links embedded in there, if they purchase the program, then you collect a high ticket commission. You'll be given all the tools to do this with, and it also gets them onto your email list. Okay, so it's high ticket affiliate marketing, which is combined together with email marketing. And back in the, let's go back here, back in the members area of the high ticket profit system, we'll start out with a, let's see, dashboard. Start out with a welcome video to get started. This video over here, and to get started you push this button and it sends you to the training section. This one here, fast track, with a number of training videos in this section. The first one is a video about mindset, and this is an uplifting video to help you to get away from some of the self-doubt that you may have. So if you're new to internet marketing, you must start out from somewhere and you'll get better as you go. So this is very beneficial to watch. There it tells you about mindset, and then there are a number of videos that fast track you to get your results. You can go through them all. So even if you're not a seasoned online marketer, you'll get more than enough training here and to get you up and running. So let's look at the system here. you get traffic. As I said, it sends them to a webinar registration page, and after they sign up for it, they become a lead which goes onto your email list. This lead is sent to a high-ticket webinar, and if they purchase after watching with your affiliate link on there, they'll be directed to a checkout page, and once they purchase, you collect a high-ticket commission. This is where you apply for your affiliate link, and then once you've got your link, then you place it into one of the funnels, and once they purchase, you get your high ticket commission. Now if they don't purchase right away, they'll still be on your email list, and there are links here to autoresponders that you can use for free, and you can remarket to them. So you'll be able to you'll be sending them more emails related to this product, and that's how it works. Once you get them on your email list, you can remarket to them. Here are email swipes that you can use to remarket to those people that have clicked on the links, showing that they are interested. And you can remarket to them because you know that what they are interested in. So learn exactly how this money maker system works by clicking on the link in the description below, while this high ticket machine is still available at this low price. High ticket system launches to the market on the 6th of July at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you would like to try it out, then you can buy it or not buy it. There's no sweat of my brow, but considering the 180-day money-back guarantee and the bonuses aside, it has to be a no-brainer for the high-ticket rewards on offer here. There we are, the 180-day money-back guarantee. So click on the link in the description to grab your copy of High Ticket Profit System. Grab it today. So here we are in the prices and the upsells portion. High Ticket Profit System is going for $17 for the early bird offer, and the price rises every hour. So during the launch period of this product, for just a one-time payment of $17, but I've shown you can get it for $15 instead of having to pay $197 per month. With your purchase of High Ticket Profit System, you get fantastic value from one of the most successful super affiliates in the industry in the form of $2,900 worth of bonuses at no extra cost. On top of this, you'll also get $1,283.85 worth of bonuses from me, which is a total value of worth of $4,183.85. I would say that is great value, especially in these difficult times. There's an unconditional 180-day money-back guarantee. So you can try it out for 180 days, and if you find that it doesn't deliver, then you can simply ask for your money back and they will return it. So the High Ticket Profit System, that is the front end. Then you'll get upsells. Upsell number 1 is unlimited. The unlimited version goes for $67. They lift all the limitations, and the downsell price is $37. Upsell number 2 is 100% done for you. They do it all for you. You've just got to put in your affiliate links and things. This goes for $97 and the downsell is for $47. Then you get upsell number 3, unlimited traffic at $97 or $47 for unlimited traffic. $47 will be the downsell. Then upsell number 4 is automation. Automation goes for $67 and $37 for downsell. Upsell number 5 is ATM. It's $197 and the downsell is $47. Then the upsell number 6 is ultimate. This is also $197 and the downsell will be $47. Then you get upsell number 7 is license rights to this product, goes for $67 and the downsell will be $37. Some key benefits for you is no actual work. You make other people do all the work for you. It's a new unique software and training, 100% newbie friendly, and yet it's equally powerful for advanced marketers. It's proven to be profitable over and over, and it works in every niche, works right now, and all the traffic is already built in. As I've said, the guarantee is 180 days. This is a misprint over here. I apologize for that, but it's 180 days that they give you to try out the product, and the guarantee is unconditional. So if it doesn't work for you, then you just ask for your money back. But I mean, okay, 180 days, it's a long time. If it doesn't work by then I don't know. Okay, so mentioning the bonuses again here quickly. The Fuego breakout, you can get access to this. And then bonus number 2 is for this high ticket profit system is build your Facebook following fast. Then bonus number 3 is make an app in less than 25 minutes. Bonus number 4 is access to the ClickBank Mastery course. And then bonus number 5, all the vendor bonuses you'll get access to, and this is where you get the bonuses with this blue button over there. Right, and so if you'd like to promote other people's high ticket products that I recommend you get this blueprint system, which will give you profit without the overhead costs. It makes the same amount, or it takes the same amount of effort to promote a $10 product as it does to promote a $1,000 product or plus product, $1,000 plus product. So which would you prefer to promote? It stands to reason that it should be the latter. I'm sure you'll agree. High ticket profits system is a done for you automated system that helps you to promote other people's high ticket products as well. So you can bag $1,000 commissions easily. The system will help you to get the same high ticket commissions as the so-called internet marketing gurus in as little as 24 hours. All you need to do is just grab your license, plug in your affiliate link in and the rest is done for you. So to get started earning high ticket commissions, go ahead and click the link in the description of this video and start to get those high ticket commissions like the top affiliate marketers do. Please give this video a like if you found it helpful, and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to get more videos and updates from me. Thanks so much for watching my high ticket profit system review. Take care and I'll see you in the next one.